How to turn on or turn off Apple ID automatic verification on iPhone. First, let's return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, you want to tap on your Apple account up here. Then we go down and tap on Sign In and Security. After that, scroll down and tap on Automatic Verification. Then tap on the Automatic Verification toggle button to switch it off, or you can tap on it to turn it on. Now here, this feature, what it does is it allows you to automatically bypass CAPTCHAs in apps and on the web by allowing iCloud to automatically and privately verify your device and account. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.